up, guys? Let's get happy Sunday fun day. Let's talk about the Packers. Just kidding. We're going to talk about trading for Forex. All right. Oh, all crypto. Let's get out of here. As always, I'm always on TradingView, and we are going to go to the weekly chart for the weekly analysis. So the US dollar did shoot up for NFP. That was crazy, really, really crazy. Positive news for the United States. So dollar's going up. That's a massive jump. Bullish engulfing candle here, really bullish here. Looking to continue the bull trend here and break out of this, right? And look for 102. No, I would look for 103 first, and then we'll see where it actually marks after that. So 103, and then 104 would be the next big move here for it. But we are buying the US dollar index for this week, okay, for those that are on the weekly swings. Daily intraday signals are totally different along with scalping. So let's talk about US 30, S&P, and NASDAQ. So buying all the indices. Indices are still positive. Looking for US 30 to break a new high for 43,000. So we will see how that takes into place in effect, especially for going on a new month of October here. And we are in the pre-elections too. So a lot of election campaigns going on. And like I said, November is going to be a really crazy month, especially once the election takes place. So pay close attention to that. But this is going to be the month where, you got Democrats and Republicans going at it. So we will see how politics play a role also with the Middle East and maybe company strikes. I mean, that's been an ongoing thing too. So we'll see how all the other fundamentals and all the other fundamental news that will come into play besides just the pre-election. All right, so buying S&P 500, looking for it to hit maybe close to 6,000 before, uh, probably before the election here. If it does not go above to where I'm peaking at, but that'll be the biggest thing is to see if it's going to break 6,000. So, and then Nasdaq, I would just be looking for it to come back to retest 20,300. Um, it's been up and down so much between 20,000, and so it just hasn't been doing a whole lot of. It just had yeah. There's just so much consolidation with this pair versus like S&P 500 and US 30 going back up again. So we'll see how much further they're going to drive these two up. And then maybe NASDAQ might hold its way around here at 20,000. So other than that, let's go. We are selling gold and selling silver. I'm expecting gold to come back down to 2,600, and then we'll see if it breaks below back to 2,500 from there. So that's what I'm looking for. Looking for a big bearish move here. As far as for silver, silver did hold its weight. So, but it is uh, still coming down a little bit here. So I'm selling silver for it to come back down to 31. And then we'll see if it tries to hang on around here. It's been sitting at 32 quite a bit. So we'll see. It's more positive than gold. Let's see. Euro. Big drop on euro here. Selling euro back down to 109. And then this will be the first target, 109. And then the next target will be to come back down and break 108. Selling the pound back to 130. Oh, yeah, 130. Right down here. And then the next move will be to break down all down to 129. Selling Australian dollar back down to 67. Right down here. 67. Yep. And then from 67, the next move would be 66. And then big bearish engulfing candle for New Zealand dollar as well. Selling back down to 61. 61 right here. 61.00, and then the next move would be to come back down to 60. And then I believe we're buying. Hold on. I think we're buying this pair here. We'll make sure I got this right. What the? Okay, but I have it. Oh no, no, we're selling. Okay, so we're selling Euro British pound based on the Dow. Okay, based on the Dow trend here. Massive wick going back down. Looking for it to hit 83, and then the next move would be 82. We're buying UJ, looking for UJ to come back to 149. That'll be the first target, and then the next target would be 150, and then the third target would be 151. And then buying USwiss, buying the US dollar Swiss franc back to 86. That'd be my first target, and then the second target would be 87. And that's probably as high as I'm gonna go. So, and then UCAD, we're buying UCAD. This pair has just been in this tight zone structure here from 135 and 136. We're going to target 136 first. If it does not sustain a move above 136, I'm going to sell it back down. This is one of the US dollar pairs that just can't hold its weight. So you just got to be mindful of that. And sometimes the correlation of the US dollar does not go well either. So sometimes you have to pay attention to individual charts and how they're actually, maneuvering around based on whatever fundamentals are being impacted. As far as for this week here for news, bank holiday for Sunday for Australia, China. Monitor policy meeting minutes Monday night. New Zealand is dropping their rate by 50 basis points. Okay, that's gonna be interesting. That's really interesting. Tuesday night here, and then FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday afternoon. CPI is gonna be a big one on for USD on Thursday morning, New York sessions, and then we have CAD unemployment, and along with the core PPI with US dollar finishing up on Friday morning here. So also, like I said, I want to see what the Fed's gonna talk about, especially for Wednesday at 1. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Any questions regards the weekly analysis or the weekly swing signals, let me know in the Telegram chat group on that. Peace out, guys. Guys, happy Sunday. Hopefully Packers win today. Just kidding. We'll see if they win. But let's talk about what we're doing for crypto here. So for all the cryptocurrencies, we're buying them. Bitcoin is trying to make a move back to 63,000. That's gonna be like the first target, and then after that would be 64,000. And then we'll see if it shoots back to the high of 66,500 here at the very top here on the daily chart here. So that's where it actually fell back. That's my zone right now. And then buying Ethereum, looking for Ethereum to hit 2,500. And then the next move would be 2,600. And then I think that as high as I'm gonna go. 2,700 would be the third move here, but that's it. It didn't go up that high. So Litecoin going back up here. Looking for this to hit back to 70. That'd be my first target, 70, and then we'll see if it breaks above 70 from there. And then Shiba is coming back up nice, right at close to the 1,900 mark here. And then we'll see if it stays above that price range. If not, might end up just zoning it in on this price right here. Dogecoin, not a whole lot for Dogecoin. Everything is positive. I mean, they're all in the green here on the percentage change from what I've highlighted here. So we'll see if Dogecoin even makes it up to 12 cents by tomorrow. We'll see. And then Ripple, let's see if Ripple comes back to 55 cents and see if it comes back to retest the high of 65 later on in the week. Neo's been in this zone here for quite a bit. Right in between $9 and $11 in value. So we'll see how this all plays out for Neo here. But we're buying it, looking to see if we hit 1050 by tomorrow. Back to $11 in value. Um, Dash was going up, but then now it's stuck at right under 24. Yeah, it's right under $24 in value. So uh, we'll see where Dash is gonna go. Solana, looking for Solana to hit 150, and then we'll see if it makes a move back to retest the resistance of 161. Zcash coming up to 28.55 right now. Looking forward to break up to 30 and then see if it's going to retest to break out of this structure at 32. And then finally for Tezos, looking for 70 cents in value. Like I said, there's just so much zone structure with these other coins, and we'll see if this coin actually makes a move to go retest higher. If not, then it's probably just going to sit right under 70 cents in value. So that's all I have for you guys. Like I said, buying cryptocurrency today. We'll see how how it holds up for tomorrow morning, and then if it changes, we're going to end up selling it back down if they don't break the resistance. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the Telegram chat group. Peace.